Do you still remember ukuthi sithola kanjani supply and demand?
Yeah.
Okay. Ngicela ungikhombe yona la if uyibona. Using screen sakho.
Okay. This one, no,
You're not sure?
I'm not sure because I think I'm seeing a drop-based drop. I don't know if it's this one.
Okay. So what do you think is this one?
I think it's a bit confusing because I'm seeing supply and demand and then drop-based drop after that. Can you correct me, please?
This one's a drop-based drop. Look at the distance.
Yeah, it's a drop
from the resistant. Okay, right. You can remove it and then give it a try again.
Okay.
Remember, you have to look,
now
check. It next to the support and resistance. Where the support and resistance is where you're gonna get the supply and demand. Give it a try again. Of is a hint gangan.
yes.
That's cheating.
Because I'm seeing a lot of sorry, I'm seeing a lot of rally based rallies and drop based drops.
Identify them for me.
The drop based drops and
rallies and the drop based drops.
Okay. The first one, it was that one that I identified as a supply.
Of which was this one? Where's the second one?
The second one, I think it's this one.
This one, it's a rally base rally. Another one?
And then another one. I don't know if this one is.
Okay, this one, it is, but you're almost there. You are almost there. I'll explain this one after you showed me the supply and demand.
Okay. So should I erase it or should I leave the cycle so that you can explain?
No, you can remove them.
Okay.
Okay, I'm gonna draw my rectangle like this. Okay. Once is a resistance broken, becomes a what?
The support.
Exactly. You're supposed to look next to a support and resistance. Here's your support and resist your supply and demand. What happened here? The market was going up, and then if you check on the left hand side, we have a drop, base drop,
Drop-based drop.
and then now the market wanted to turn from the drop base drop. Again, the market wanted to go down to test the supply and demand. Unfortunately, because of the small supply, because of the small resistance here, the price I'm sorry, support. Because of this small support, the price is pushing the peso. Hamba, and then now the price is back. Look at what happened. It went all the way up. Always remember, supply and demand is next to support and resistance. A drop base drop and a rally base rally, it's in the middle of a trend.
You're recording again. You're gonna send me that because
Yes,
I wanted to write it down.
I'm gonna send it to you. Don't worry. Again, do you see a supply a supply and demand here? If you do, let me know.
Wait, you said supply and demand.
Yes.
I wanna write it down so that I can identify it.
Okay, you can write it down. You can do a
Yeah,
sketch.
you said. Yeah, please. Supply and demand. It's what?
Supply and demand
I
is
wanna
next to
write.
support and resistance. Bafethu ni kahle mara. Okay, few minutes sizocala bese around after this one I'll go back ngifake ama basics so that you can be with us the same line, because now you say move, so I'll just
Okay, we'll continue.
Yes, I'm waiting for you to identify the supply and demand.
So supply and demand is next to a support and a resistance.
Yes.
So you need me to identify the support and supply and demand.
Yes.
Okay.
Remember, it is okay to be wrong, né? So that you can learn.
All right.
Don't be scared. Ngekho umuntu ozokuhleka la.
They're not supposed to. Then this one I'm not sure because I'm seeing a rally based rally. The second one
Okay, wait. Let me just go to the left-hand side. You can remove these two. Let's forget what happened on the right-hand side. And then we focus from here up until here.
From where?
From here until here.
Okay. Honestly, I think supply and demand is gonna be problem for me.
No, you don't have to use that mindset. You have to give it a try. Angifundisa abantu abagive upayo mina. You must have the confidence. Go and check.
Okay, can you do me? Can
Can I what?
Okay. Can you do me one favor? Can you make the lines for supply and demand? I mean for support and resistance. That's
Okay.
where yes.
I'm gonna identify support and resistance for you.
Mm-hmm.
This is my support. I'm sorry, this is my resistance. Okay, starting from here, this is my support. It became a resistance. It's my resistance. It is my support. It is my resistance. You will choose.
Mm-hmm. It's this one.
Okay, let's get another one.
Mm. Mm.
Okay, another one.
Mm. Mm. There's another one.
Yes.
Okay. But I'm not sure about that one.
All right. Come clap your hands with me.
Oh no, it's not a no. Can I cancel it?
Yes, you can.
Let me cancel. Mm. You say I'm a bit. I'm seeing a gap. I forgot what you said about the gap when it comes to a supply and demand.
Okay, it's fine. Let me assist you. This one is correct. This one is not correct.
Okay.
You didn't even check this one. Did you check?
That one, it was a bit confusing because I thought I was seeing a drop-based drop.
You were focusing on this one.
Yeah.
Number one. Check on this one. We have supply and demand. This is the beginning of a new trend. This is where the supply and demand is. The market went down. With this green candlestick, it went back up to fill the orders that they left here, and then the market went down.
Mm, okay.
Okay.
And then what about that one with the gap?
This one with the gap. This one, remember, if you check on the left-hand side, we have a resistance. On the left-hand side, we have a resistance. The market went up, back to the resistance. You know, whenever the price gets to the resistance, what's going to happen? The price will go down. So they push the market down. Because of here, we have a rally-based rally. The market turned here to fill the gap as well. And then it continued to the downtrend. Now, if you were trading this one, you're going to sell here. Buy as soon as the price ifika lana, you exit buy opportunity yako, you start selling again. Now you have this first order and then this second order that you open, you're gonna take profit here using your left-hand side.
And then the one on the far right, the gap on the far right. The one I said.
Far right.
This one.
Give me, oh, I wasn't paying attention to this one.
This one.
You can see that the market gapped to what happened here. You still remember the consolidation. The market was trying to turn here. The market was trying to turn because of what happened on the left-hand side. And then the market also tried to go down to what? To the supply and demand. So what happened here? We have a resistance on the left-hand side. The market reached a resistance here and then it created a fake out zone. It pushed all the way down towards to the consolidation. And then from here, the market went up to fill the gap. And then you can see these candlesticks, they look a bit weird. Why? Because of sellers were stepping in and buyers were stepping in at the same time. That is why we have candlesticks looking like this.
And another thing, consolidation, the word consolidation, how do you use it on a Forex language?
Consolidation is when the market is just moving sideways. It is moving sideways. If consolidation, the market is indecision. They're not sure whether we have to go up or we have to go down. And while they are creating the consolidation, you must check in between, you might have a support and resistance. If not a support or resistance, you will get a trend line. And then you're going to wait for a breakout. That's if you're going to get a breakout, that's when you're going to take a trade from a consolidation. Today's topic, it's about a breakout. You're gonna see in Tambama Uguti Maskulumang consolidation, how to trade a consolidation, go break out your corner. Uzova sharp later.
All right. You mean around 5?
Yeah, around 5, because now I might take a break for an hour, then from there I'll be busy. Why?
Okay. I might not be available because of load shedding. It hasn't gone yet, but maybe when you come back, maybe I won't be around.
Okay, I'll make means to record it, don't worry. Okay, now I'm gonna ask you one thing. Can you identify a drop base for me, and then you get a rally base rally, and then we will continue.
Okay. Drop base drop. Rally base rally. My pen doesn't. Okay. It's a rally base rally. What?
Okay, that's correct.
And then a drop base drop. A drop base drop.
That is correct. Okay. Can you please remove Amakoporosha for me?
Erase. Can I erase?
Yeah, sure.
Doesn't wanna. I don't know if it's your line, your rectangle, stepping or what.
No, it's on you. Just write again and then you erase everything. Doesn't wanna go? It's fine. Okay.
Doesn't wanna go away.
Now both of them you are correct. This is a rally base rally. The market went up. It's a drop base drop. The market went down. That's 100% correct. Now let's go for supply and demand.
Again, all right.
You
struggle.
You're gonna learn supply and demand, like it or not. I'm not gonna leave until you learn.
Supply and demand.
This one is also correct, but the challenge is you cannot see what happened due to the drawings here, but there is an opposing candlestick here next to the support. This one is correct. I've seen it earlier. Another one.
Okay.
And then we move on. That one, it's a retest.
What's the retest?
Okay, it's a pullback.
A pullback.
Yes.
What's a pullback?
The market is going up, and then you see in the next minute the market is reversing. We call it a pullback.
Can you show it again?
Want something that will be clear to you. The market is going up. The next thing, the market is going down. While it is going up. We call this a pullback. That's what happened here. This first candlestick that is long here came to test the resistance on the left-hand side. And then the market went up. Here is a pullback. The market continued going up. Look at this. Maybe it will look good like this. Now you're going to trade this one as a breakout. Once a resistance is broken, it becomes a support. Now the market's supposed to go up. Instead, it went a little bit down before it went up. Okay.
So it's not a supply, it's a pullback.
Yeah, this one is just a pullback.
No, it's not.
Which one?
Not.
That one, there's nothing there. That's pure support. That went all the way up to test the support on the left-hand side. And then now we have a resistance here. Let me show you. Beginning of a new trend, supply and demand, a drop-based drop.
You see why I'm confused?
Why?
Because of that drop-based drop. Yeah. You see why demand and supply is a bit of a problem with me, because after the beginning of a trend line, it becomes a drop-based drop. So I don't know. You mean this one is a supply and demand?
No, don't worry. We're gonna work on it. You'll get used to it. This one, it's not hard. Okay, now I'm gonna ask you, please identify a supply and demand for me. This one is clear and perfect. Hopefully you're not gonna be confused.
Okay. This one.
We don't have a supply and demand there. Just go back and check again. And also there's no supply and demand. Remember, supply and demand is next to support and resistance. And it is always in the beginning of a new trend.
Did I? This one?
Not exactly. That's just pure resistance. Look for the next resistance. That's where you're gonna find it. With this one, I'm not gonna help you, right? It's on you.
Yeah. I'm gonna search every corner.
Please. Look for support and resistance.
Support and resistance, or not supply and demand.
No, firstly, look for support and resistance so that it will be easy for you to notice the supply and demand. This one is just in front of you. You need to go deeper and check.
So I mustn't use your life. I must look for mine.
Yes, the ones that I identified here, we can say it's our major support and resistance. We have to look for minor support and resistance. Okay, let me put it like this. Go and look for a minor resistance. That's where you're going to find the supply and demand. And it is just perfect in front of you, trust me. Oh, I'm left with 10 minutes.
Is it even supporting?
That's support. Go for supply and demand above. Perhaps you need a hint.
Please.
Where we have a strong move. Pay attention to that strong move.
Strong move contains a rally, right? Not
No, when I say
drop.
strong move, I mean where the price went up for a long time without any pullback, without any rally-based rally, without any drop-based drop. Okay, I see you're getting confused. Look for large candlesticks that are following each other. This one is perfect. You're gonna find it right now.
This one.
No, the candlesticks are not large here. Look for candlestick like this one. Candlesticks that are similar to this one. Then from there, you're gonna get the supply and demand. You're almost there.
So if they are not, let me write something. If they are not here, and if it's not this one, then
look for large candlesticks. You get it.
Not
Should I zoom in for you? Here we go. These candlesticks are large. These candlesticks are large. And these candlesticks are large as well. And this one are large as well. Again.
So I wasn't just...
Go for support and resistance. Go for a support right here. Just identify support for me that we did not talk about. That's where you're going to find the supply and demand. And now it is just bold and in front of you.
No.
You can't?
It's not.
Okay.
No, that one is not. It's not it.
Okay. If you go to the major support and resistance, not even support, if you go to the major resistance here, going down, what is this? You can see my cursor, right?
Yeah.
What is this?
It's not a pullback.
This one is a consolidation. From the consolidation, I'm shy. I'm so prepared. Okay, here we have a consolidation. On higher time frame, we have a drop, base drop. What are you going? How are you going to trade a drop, base drop?
Drop is drop. It's when we sell.
Yes, we sell. So now, if you pay attention to what happened here, where did the market turn? Did the market turn on this consolidation?
No. Can I erase everything?
Can you what?
Erase. Like
Yes, you can. Look,
this one, it still doesn't wanna.
on higher time frame, this is a drop, base drop. Okay, just give me a moment. This is it's a rally base rally. How do we trade a rally base rally? This is the actual rally base rally. You let the market go up and then it will come back to the rally base rally. Then that's when you're gonna buy, right? Let's go back. This is our drop base drop. Where are you gonna sell?
Drop, base drop. Drop, yes. Wait. Said drop, base drop, we sell, I guess.
Yes, drop base drop, we sell. Now,
We sell.
here you notice that, let's say maybe you notice the price is roughly here or pushing the market up, or the price is just right here. Where are you gonna sell the drop base drop? The market is moving up towards the drop base drop. Where were you gonna sell this drop base drop?
That one I don't know.
Okay.
What I know is that we when it's drop, base drop, we sell, and then when it's rally,
we
we
buy.
buy. Yeah.
Here it's a
But
drop, drop, and then here is our support. The market went up. It was supposed to go up to the resistance, but because of the drop base drop here, the market turned here. That is the reason for the market to go down. Is because of what happened here. So now, this is a new resistance. This one.
So that's where we're gonna sell.
This is where we're gonna sell. Now we have a new resistance. Let's identify the new resistance. This is the beginning of a new trend. Here is the supply and demand. This is a perfect supply and demand, and it is large. The market went down. I'll give you 3 days. Also, we're so sharp with supply and demand.
Yes, I think it's now.
Also, we're so sharp because I can see Uguchi, it's a bit challenging, and not for you only. Not for you only. Because this one it's a bit confusing, but don't worry. As time goes by, you're gonna be fine. Now we are only left with a few minutes. So I'm gonna take a break and then we will come back roughly in less than an hour. So now I will try to send Ama videos to Telegram. Amani, I tried Uchi and I don't know what happened. How many did you get?
I got, you sent 4 again. So the last 2, it was the same thing.
Is it?
Yeah, the last 2, it was the same things, and I got, the analysis doesn't want to open.
I wonder why.
Yeah.
Okay, it's fine. I will try to send more today. Actually, let me. Okay, I will have to wait for this live ukuthi download it because now it's here recorded, and after recording it will convert. After you convert it, then I'll send you go Telegram.
Telegram.
And hopefully in Dambama uzobe available so that we can continue.
All right. Yeah, hopefully.
But later we're gonna focus on our breakout strategies. So you must also pay attention. You know, it's you and your pen.
Yeah.
It's you and your
Right.
pen, then you'll get used to them.
Okay.
Isikhathi sethu sesishayile vele. Few minutes remaining. Actually, not even
Okay.
minute, 1. I'm
1.
ending this one.
All right. Sharp.
Sharp.